Hello dear students, welcome back to chemistry classes. Today we have know about naming of complexes. Okay, rules of naming of complexes. In that, first one is order of naming ions. Order of naming ions. Order of naming ions. See here in this order of naming of ions, in this take an example of a K2 AP CN6 like this. It is a cation, it is a anion. In that, first we have to name the cation first, then followed by the anions. While naming the complexes, first we have to name cation, then followed by anions. First rule, what it say? First, while naming the complexes, first name the cation, then name the anions. Got it? Next rule is second one, order of naming coordination entity. Coordination entity. In the complex, what happens in the complex? Take an example of K2 AP CN6. In this, what happens? First we have to name the cations. Okay, we have named the cations first. Then in the coordination sphere, first we have to name the ligands, then followed by the central metal atom. First we have to name the ligands first we have to name, then name the central metal atom. First rule says first name the cation, then followed by the anion. Then second rule says first name in the coordination sphere, first name the ligands, then followed by the central metal ion or atom. Okay. Next rule is names of ligands. Third one, names of ligands. What are the names? For neutral, the names are not changed. No change at all. No change while naming. But for positive ions, names are changed into IUM. The ending names are changed into IUM. For example of nitrosyl. This is changed into nitrosonium. Nitrosyl is changed into nitrosonium like this. The last name, the ending name is changed into IUM. But for negative ligands, the ID is changed into IDO, means chloride, chlorido, bromide, bromido, like this. Chloride is converted into chlorido. Like bromide is converted into bromido, iodide is converted into iodido, cyanide is converted into cyanide. Cyanate is converted into cyanato, like this. Nitrite, nitrite, ITE. Nitrite is converted into nitrito, like this. ITE is converted into ITO. Similarly, sulfate is converted, ATE is converted into ATO, sulfato, like that. Carbonato, carbonate is converted to carbonato, like this. ATE is converted into ATO, ending name is ATO. ITE is converted into ITO, and IDE is converted into IDO, like that. For naming the ligands, the ending names are changed into their respective. Okay, next concept, that is number of ligands. Naming of number of ligands means there is more than one type of ligands are there. If the complex containing more than one type of ligands, for example, chromium, ammonia, chloride, bromide, iodide, like this, chloride, hydroxyl, different we have to write, different cyanide, like this. How we name? First, name the ligands with alphabetical order. Naming of number of ligands, if the complex having more than one type of ligands, we can name the ligands in the alphabetical order. Alphabetical order, like that. First, amino, it is a amino. Next, A, it is amino. B is, there is no B. Next, C, chlorido. Next, cyanido. Then hydroxo, like that. If the complex containing more than one type of complexes, the complex is named as according to the alphabetical order. Got it? Then next thing is, if the complex containing more number of similar or one kind of ligands, for example, Fe, CN6, APCN6, like this. If the complex containing only one type of ligands, in the more number, we can name the prefixes, like if 2 is there, bi or di. If 3 is there, use the trichlorido. If 4 is there, tetra, like that. Okay, nickel, carbonyl 4 is there, then tetracarbonyl or trichlorido. Next, like this is there, tetrahydroxo, like this we have to name. If the complexes containing more number of similar or same kind of ligands, the prefixes are used in bi, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, like this. The prefixes are used. For this, numerical prefixes are used for numerical prefixes are used in complexes used in complexes containing more number of complexes containing more number of same kind of ligand, same kind of ligand, same kind of ligands. Got it? Okay. Next one, if the complex is anionic in nature, the complex is if complex is anionic in nature, if the complex is anionic in nature, then we use the suffixes. The ending name is ATE. For example, ATE to central atom, ATE to central atom, CN6. What happened? Potassium hexacyanide, ferrate, this is for 4, ferrate 2, like this. If the complex is anionic in nature, the use of ending name to the central atom, ending name use the central atom. The central atom is ATE, for its name is potassium hexacyanide, ferrate 2, like this we have to name. Then what is this plus 2? What is this 2? We'll know afterwards. The last rule, that is oxidation state. Oxidation state. What is this oxidation state? It is the how we have to calculate the oxidation state. After getting this, the oxidation state have to write in the Roman letter. Oxidation state have to write in Roman letters, Roman numbers. Oxidation state have to write in Roman number in bracket. These are the 7 rules naming the complexes. How to know the oxidation state? How to know? We have to solve some problems on the oxidation state. Oxidation state of central metal atom in coordination complex. That is, take an example of K4 FeCN6 like this. For this, what happens? K plus charge is there, plus 1 charge is there. How many potassiums are there? 4 potassiums. For Fe, it is as it is. Then for cyanide, Cn minus, only 1 minus charge is on the Cn. How many Cn atoms are there? How many Cn molecules are there? 6 is equal to, there is no charge on the complex, that's why I am keep it is in the 0. For K means plus 1 into 4 plus Fe plus of minus 1 into 6, isn't it, into 6 is equal to 0. Minus 1 charge, that's why I am keeping it is in the minus 1. Then what happens here? 1 in plus 1 into 4, 4 plus Fe as it is, minus of minus plus into minus, minus 1 into 6, minus 6 is equal to 4. Then plus 4 minus 6, Fe is equal to minus 2 is equal to 0. If minus 2 is go to the right hand side of the equal to, Fe is equal to plus 2. This plus 2 oxidation state have to write in the Roman letter like this. Got it? This is the oxidation state of this central metal atom. Got it? Similarly, the same way I am keep the K3 ApCN6, K3 ApCN6 like that. There is no charge on the ions or a molecule, that's why K3 means K plus how many atoms are there? 3 atoms, means Ap as it is plus Cn minus, then how many atoms are there? 6 atoms are there, is equal to 0. For this, plus 1 is there for potassium, then how many atoms are there? 3 atoms are there. Fe as it is, in order to calculate the oxidation state of the Fe, that's why Cn minus 1 is there, minus 1 into 6 is equal to 0. Plus 1 into 3 as it is, plus Fe as it is, plus plus into minus, minus 1 into 6 is equal to minus 6 is equal to 0. Plus 3 minus 6 is equal to, plus 3 minus 6 means differences happened, that's why minus 3 as it is equal to 0. Then Fe is equal to plus 3 oxidation state. In order to write the plus 3 oxidation state, I have to write like this in the square bracket, that is in the Roman letter. Got it? Okay. Take another example, that is nickel tetracarbonyl. Nickel tetracarbonyl. What is the oxidation of state of nickel? Nickel we have to write as it is equal into 4 carbonyl into 4. On the carbonyl there is no positive or negative charges, that's why I am writing equal to like here is equal to 0. Nickel is equal to nickel plus 0 into 4 is equal to 0, means 0 into 4 is equal to 0, nickel is equal to 0. The oxidation state of the nickel in this compound is 0. Got it? Next concept is FeCN4 plus 2 oxidation state is there. At that time, Fe as it is, then write the cyanide. On the cyanide, minus 1 charge is there. How many cyanides are there? 4 cyanides are there, is equal to how much? 2, isn't it? Plus 2 oxidation state is there. Then is equal to plus 2. Then Fe is equal to Fe plus how many? Minus 1 into 4 is equal to 4 plus 2. Then Fe is equal to Ap minus 4 is equal to how much? 2. Then Fe is equal to plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to plus 6, means oxidation state of this compound is plus 6. If it is a minus 2, if it is the minus 2, then here the minus 2 is happened, here also minus 2, here also minus 2, here also minus 2 is there. That's why its oxidation state is, then its oxidation state also like this itself. Okay, like this in order to calculate the oxidation state. Got it? Next concept is isomerism. Okay, naming of compounds. Let us go. What are those? See here, naming of compounds in this complex. First we have to name the cationic, then the anionic. In the cationic, the coordination sphere. In the coordination sphere, first we have to name the ligands, then the coordination central metal atom. In that, if the ligands are more than similar kinds of ligands are present in more number, we have to use the prefixes what? Hexa, tri, penta, tetra, bi, like that. See here 6 is there, hexa. Hexa, what is this? Amine, hexaamino, cobalt, okay. What is the oxidation state? This is for purely 0. Here minus 3 is there, means equal to, after coming to the right hand side of the equal to, here getting plus 3 oxidation state. Then chloride, its name is hexaamino cobalt plus 3 oxidation state, chloride. Got it? Next one, amines. For amines, second one, here two ligands are there. The ligands are named according to the alphabets. More than one type, more than different types of ligands are there. The name the ligands in the alphabetical order. Here amine is there, here what? Chloride is there. That's why pentaamine, chlorido. How many oxidation state is there? Plus 3 oxidation state is there. Then chlorido, cobalt, pentamine, chlorido, cobalt, pentamine, chlorido, cobalt, plus 3 oxidation state is there, plus 3 oxidation state, then chloride. Got it? Like this. Similarly, here two amines, those are neutral ligands. One is, its name is aqua, its name is amine. Aqua means AQ, means here amine, AM. In the alphabetical order, M comes to the first and then to the second, aqua. That's why we have to write first amine, then have to write aqua. How many amines is there? Tetraamine, aqua. How many oxidation state? This is also 0, this is also 0. Only 2 oxidation state is there. Cobalt plus 2 oxidation state. Then we have to write the chloride. Got it? Next, have to write what? here ethane 1,2-diamine. What? Ethane 1,2-diamine. But here more than one donating atoms are there. That's why we use the word tris. We use the word tris. Ethane 1,2-diamine. Tris ethane 1,2-diamine. Cobalt 3. Cobalt oxidation state is 3. Cobalt 3 chloride. Cobalt 3 chloride, like that. Here what happens? Here two oxidation state means two ligands are there, more than one type of ligands. Here aqua amines means alphabetically amines comes first. How many amines are there? Pentaamines, pentamine, carbonyl, pentamine, carbonyl or carbonato, pentamine, carbonato, pentamine, carbonato. What? Cobalt, pentaamine, carbonato, cobalt 1 chloride. Its name is pentaamino carbonato cobalt plus 1 oxidation state chloride. Like this, its name I am writing here. Its name is here. So many ligands are there. That's why in the previous ethane amine, it is the only amine. That's why diamine, 2 amines are there. Diamine. Then it is a chlorido. It is a ethane amine. Means chlorido comes first. Chlorido, ethane amine, chlorido, methylamine, oxidation state 1, 2, 3. These are all neutral ligands. That's why 1, 2. Hexamine, platinum plus 2 oxidation state. Then chloride. Like this you have to name. In this also same thing is happen. For this is the same thing happens. What happens? Potassium. See here, it is a anionic complex. After removing this cation, we are getting the anion here. That's why it is an anionic complex. For anionic complex, what is the rule? The central metal atom ending name is ATA. ATE means 8. Potassium, how many? Hexacyanide, ferrate. How many oxidation state is there? Here -6, here +2 means +4 oxidation state. -6 plus 4, -6 plus 2 is equal to -4. After coming to the right hand side, it gets a +4 oxidation state. Then there is no ions here. That's why there is no ions. Write as it is. Similarly here also what happens? Potassium is there. Potassium. Then oxalato means tris oxalato. How many oxalates are there? Try. That's why tris oxalato. Potassium, tris oxalato, ferrate, 1 oxalate having -2 charge. How many is there? 3 is there. -6 plus 3 for this one oxalato having minus 2 charges, 3 oxalato means into 3 plus how many, plus 3 oxygen, this is having a plus 1 oxidation state, means 3 potassiums are there, 1 plus 1 into 3 minus 2 into is minus 6 plus 3 is equal to plus 3. So oxidation state of this ferrite ion is plus 3 oxidation state. It is right in the Roman letter in the bracket plus 3. Got it? Next, same thing is happened. What happened here? For this palladium is the central metal atom, potassium as it is, potassium is as it is, then tetrachlorido palladiate. After removing this cation, we are getting the anion here. That's why complex carrying the anion for that central metal atom. Anionic complexes for the central metal atom ending name is changed into the ATA. That's why here palladiate. How many oxidation state? Oxidation state is plus 2, minus 4 here plus 2 is there is no charge on the complexes, that's why minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2 after equal to after we are getting the plus 2 oxidation state. Like that have to do yourself for all these compounds. Here more number of ligands are there, write the ligands in the alphabetical order. I am directly telling here what, amino, bromido, chlorido, nitrito, N-platinate. Here minus 1 charge is there. It is also neutral. It is also for that there is no negative charge. It is also neutral. These two are charges are there. Platinate 2 ions. Platinate oxidation state is 2. For this mercury is a plus 1 oxidation state here. Cobalt it's a isocyanate or thiocyanate, thiocyanate. For this tetrathiocyanate, mercury tetrathiocyanate, that is N related, N is bonded to the cobalt, N cobaltate. How many charges are there? Plus 3 oxidation state is there. That's why Roman letter, write in the Roman letter plus 3 in the bracket. Here minus 2 charge, here plus here minus 2 charge, here minus 4 charges. After overcoming the equal to it, you get a positive charge, means its oxidation state is plus 2. Then tetracyanidinonucleate plus 2 is the anionic complex. Here same here, anionic complex tetrachloridonucleate plus 2 oxidation state. Here also plus 2 oxidation state is there. Here minus 6 plus 3 is minus 6 minus plus 3 is equal to minus 3 oxidation, plus 3 oxidation state is there. What is the name of this compound? Sodium hexafluorido cobaltate plus 3 oxidation state is there. Like that you have to name the complexes. Got it? Next concept is isomerism. We have to